Kylie Jenner has once again melted hearts across social media by revealing the newest, and undeniably cutest, additions to the ever-growing Kardashian-Disick family. Known for keeping fans updated on her glamorous life, Kylie's latest announcement wasn't about a new makeup drop or fashion venture, but rather an introduction to the tiny, furry, and lovable new family members who are already stealing the spotlight. The reveal came through a series of perfectly curated Instagram posts and Instagram stories. In true Kylie fashion, the images were high-gloss and full of warmth, showing the fluffy newcomers being showered with love by members of the Kardashian-Jenner-Disick clan. From little paws peeking out of blankets to tiny noses nestled in hands, the new arrivals instantly had the internet in a frenzy. According to Kylie, these adorable additions are more than just pets, they're family. She shared that each new member has been given a name with personal significance, and each has already developed a unique personality. Fans were quick to point out how the names seemed to align with the family's tradition of giving thoughtful and sometimes quirky monikers. The Kardashian-Disick household is no stranger to pets. Over the years, we've seen the famous family dote on everything from dogs and cats to exotic animals. Scott Disick, Kourtney Kardashian's ex and father to Mason, Penelope, and Reign, also expressed excitement, sharing clips of the kids bonding with the newcomers. Mason was spotted gently holding one of the tiniest ones, while Penelope giggled as her new furry friend licked her cheek. Reign, the youngest of the Disick trio, appeared overjoyed, running around the backyard in playful chase. Kourtney, now happily married to Travis Barker, reposted Kylie's photos and videos, adding her own captions filled with heart emojis. Even Kris Jenner couldn't resist chiming in, leaving a proud "Grandma loves them" comment under Kylie's post. The reveal also sparked speculation among fans, and not just about the pets. Many wondered if Kylie's sudden focus on family and home life might be a hint at upcoming personal news. While Kylie stayed tight-lipped on that front, she did tease that there might be more family surprises in the future. The adorable newcomers are already making waves online, with fan accounts reposting every image and creating dedicated pages for them. Kylie's social media engagement skyrocketed after the reveal, proving once again that no one knows how to make a headline quite like the youngest Jenner. Whether lounging in luxury pet beds or exploring the sprawling backyard, these new Kardashian-Disick family members are already living a life most can only dream of. And knowing this family, it's safe to say they'll be pampered with the best food, toys, and care imaginable, all while becoming stars in their own right. As fans eagerly await more updates, one thing's for certain. In the world of the Kardashians, even the smallest family members know how to make a big entrance.